I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to see what devices are logged in and using your Netflix account using the Netflix mobile app. Step 1. Open the Netflix app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device and then tap your profile icon in the menu on this screen. You'll land on the My Netflix screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon on this screen. A menu pops up. Step 3. Tap Account in this menu. Step 4. Swipe down this screen until you get to the Devices section and then tap Access and Devices. A list of devices that have recently been signed into Netflix with your account is displayed. If you see a device you're not familiar with and you decide that you want to remotely sign out of that device, all you need to do is tap the drop-down arrow next to that device and then tap Sign Out. You'll be logged out of that device immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.